morning to all my dear student. In previous periods, I had discussed about your lesson number 9, GP means the geometric progression. In 10th standard, you learn about the AP, and now in 11th, you learn about the GP, and also I discuss about the difference between the AP and GP. Now, also I have solved illustrate examples up to 5. Now, today I start your illustrate examples number 6, page number 281. Find the fifth terms of GP 9 minus 6 4. Now, examples illustration examples number 6, there is the 9 minus 6 4, so on. Here it is given, and we want to find out the fifth terms. Now, you know what is the A is equal to. So, A is equal to 9. Now, R is equal to, how to find the R? Second terms divided by first term, third terms divided by the second term, minus 6 upon 9 minus 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, means the minus 2 upon 3, and we want to find out the T5 is equal to dash. So, what is the n is equal to 5? N is equal to 5. Now, apply the formulas. Tn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1. Now, A is equal to 9, R just we find minus 2 upon 3, n minus 1. So, n is equal to, we want to find out the 5. Fifth terms, so it is the 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 9 minus 2 upon 3, 5 minus 1 raised to 4. Now, power is even numbers, so here there is the answer must be in the positives. If n is equal to even, then always if it is the base is negatives, but answer must be positives. So, here raised to 4 means the minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3 means the 2 raised to 4, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, but it is the 16 plus 16, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, so 16 upon 81, 16 upon 81, 9 into 16 upon 81, 9 9s are 81 means the 16 upon 9, 16 upon 9. Only one formulas, Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1, A means the first term, R means the ratio, conjugative terms ratio, second divided by first, third divided by second, so on. Now, illustrate examples number 7. Find the 8 terms of the GP 1 upon 8. Examples number 7. 1 upon 8, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, and find the 8th terms. We want to find out the T8 is equal to dash. Same examples repeated here. What is the A is equal to first term? It is called the A. 1 upon 8. We want to find out the R. R means the second term divided by first term, या तो third divided by second. So 1 upon 4 divided 1 upon 8. Divided, convert into multiplied. 1 upon 4 multiplied reciprocal of 1 upon 8. तो 8 upon 1 is equal to 4 1 जा 4 2 जा. So R is equal to 2. Therefore R is equal to 2. A is equal to 1 upon 8, R is equal to 2. And what is the N is equal to 8. And we want to find out the T8. Apply the formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to N minus 1. Therefore, N is equal to 8. So, take the N, 8, A, 1 upon 8 into R. Just we find it is the 2, and there is the 8 minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 8 multiplied by 2 raised to 7 is equal to 1 upon 8. 2 raised to 7. 2 2 za 4, 2 za 8, 2 za 16, 2 za 32, 2 za 64, 2 za 128. So 128. You must remember power forms of the 2 and power forms of the 3. Again I repeat, 2 raised to 7, 2, 2 za 4, 2 za 8, 2 za 16, 2 za 32, 2 za 64, 2 za 128. Now cancel out. 8 1 ja 8, remaining 4, 48, and 8 6 ja 48, so 16. T18 is equal to 16. So 8 terms is 16. Therefore T8 is equal to 16. 8 terms is equal to 16. Now all the examples, only one base formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to N minus 1. Now 8 illustrate examples. If the second term of the GP is 4, second terms, first notate what is the given here. T2 is equal to examples number 8. T2 is equal to second terms of the GP is 4. Therefore, now apply the formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to N minus 1. We want to T2 is equal to A R 2 minus 1. N is equal to 2. 2 minus 1. What is the values of the T2 here? It is given 4 is equal to AR. 4 is equal to AR. Again I repeat, Tn is equal to AR raised to N minus 1. Now there is the which terms here it is given? T2 values given 4, means the second term values is 4. So N is equal to 2, AR raised to 2 minus 1. So T2 values it is given 4 is equal to AR. Now further here it is given, find the product of the first 3 terms of the GP. Question is find out the first 3 terms, means the T1, First term T1, second term T2 and third terms T3. So apply the, now we want to find out the T1 multiplied by T2 multiplied by 3 T3. Now there is the formulas apply. T1 is equal to, separately if you want to find, there is no need. T1 is equal to A R 1 minus 1. So it is the A R raised to 0 means the A. R raised to 0 power, so their values is the 1, therefore A into 1 it is the 1. T2 is equal to, just we find what is the A R 2 minus 1. T2 values, now there is the general formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1, T2 is equal to AR 2 minus 1, so is equal to AR, and T3 is equal to AR raised to 3 minus 1 means the AR square. So apply these formulas. What is the T1 values? Here it is A into T2 is equal to AR into, what is the T3 values? It is the AR square. AR square is equal to A into A. So it is the A cube. R into R square. So it is the R cube. It means AR raised to 3. AR raised to 3. Now what is the AR is equal to? Now suppose I give it is the equation number 1. Substitute the equation 1 values. AR is equal to 4. So write down the 4 cube. So 4 cube is equal to 64. Product of the 3 terms. We want to find out the product of the first 3 terms, means the T1, T2 and T3. So product means the multiplication. Here apply the, what is the T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to AR and T3 is equal to AR square, and substitute these values. So we find out the AR is equal to, it is just we solve, it is the 4. So it is the 4 cube, it is the 64. Now same examples, illustrate examples number 9. The first term and the product of the first 3 terms of a GP are 3. The first term and product of the first 3 terms of the GP are 3 and 216 respectively. Find the 7 terms of the GP. We want to find out the 7 terms. Now again, first terms means the first terms we say it is the A. So here your examples number 9. First terms denoted by A is equal to 3 given, and product of the first 3 terms T1 multiplied by T2 multiplied by T3 is equal to given 216. 216. We want to find out the T7. We want to find out the T7 is equal to dash. Now what is the general format here? T1 is equal to, in previous examples, first it is the A. T2 is equal to AR. T3 is equal to AR square. T3 is equal to AR square. So is equal to AR square is equal to 216. Therefore same A into A cube, R into R square, it is the R cube is equal to 216. Therefore now there is the first term here, it is given 3. So A is equal to 3 the whole cube into R cube is equal to 216. Therefore now listen how to make the simplification easy. 216 is the cube of 6. So write down the 216 is the 6 cube. Take the cube root on both the side. Therefore 3 into r is equal to 6. Therefore r is equal to 6 divided by 3. Therefore r is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. Now what is the question? Find the 7 terms. So again T7 is equal to A R, n is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 is equal to A, it is the given 3. Already it is given in your examples, is equal to 3 into R, we find out it is the 2, and 7 minus 1 is 6. So 3 into 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 16, 32, 64 and 120, sorry, up to 6, so it is a 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. So here 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and 1 192. So T7 is equal to 192. Here only one base formula, so every time I repeat, Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. Now there is the product of the 3 terms given, and in these examples A values given, so substitute the A values, find out the R and then find out the as per required T7 means T7 terms. Next, illustrate examples. Your examples number 10. The number 2, G, 50 are in the GP. Find the values of the G. Find the values of the G. 2 examples number 10. Two, then G 50 are in GP. Find the values of the G. Now you know very well, ratio of second term divided by first term is equal to third term divided by first term. So here T2 upon T1 is equal to T3 upon T2. If the series are in GP, so ratio of the second divided by first is equal to third divided by second. What is the T2 values? Here it is given G. T1 is equal to 2. Then what is the T3 is equal to 50. T2 is equal to G. Therefore, G square is equal to 50 multiplied by 2, cross multiplication. Therefore, G square is equal to 5 2s are 100. Therefore, G is equal to 10. In short form, if it is the GP, so also you have to remember formulas. B square is equal to AC. B means the second term, A means the first term and C is equal to third terms. Here A, B, C, first term, second term and third term. Therefore, B square is equal to AC. Same examples I repeat by second methods. B square you have to remember, if it is GP's given series, then B square is equal to AC. We want to, what is the first term? A. Second term, B is equal to G and C is equal to 50. Apply this one. So G square is equal to A is equal to 2 and 50. Therefore, G square is equal to 100. Therefore, G is equal to 10. So B square is equal to AC. Now, your illustrate examples number 11. For the number A, B, C, D, if B upon A is equal to C upon B is equal to D upon C, so that number A, B, C, D are in GP. We want to show that they are in the GP. 4 terms here it is given, A, B, C, D. It means we want to find out the T1, then T2, then T3 and then T4. So T1, now if the series are in GP, so A, then AR, then AR square and AR cube. Tn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1. Substitute the T1 is equal to A. 1 minus 1 0 means the 1. So it is the A. 2 minus 1. So it is the AR. Third terms AR square. And fourth term it is the AR cube. So we want to find out the T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to AR, T3 is equal to AR square and T4 is equal to AR cube. So it is enough to show that AR square and AR cube. Now, what is the ratio here it is given? B upon A is equal to C upon B is equal to D upon C. And suppose common ratio, there is the ratio given, and common ratio, suppose we take it is the R. It is the R. Now, so therefore B upon A is equal to R, C upon B is equal to R and D upon C is equal to R. Common ratio I takes it is the R. Now it means the B upon A is equal to R, C upon B is equal to R and D upon C is equal to R. Therefore, B is equal to AR, C is equal to BR and D is equal to CR. Therefore, now C, what is the values of the C here it is given? AR. So substitute, therefore C is equal to B. What is the B values here? It is the AR into R. Therefore, C is equal to AR square. And what is the D is equal to C into R. What is the C values here? It is given AR square into R. Therefore, D is equal to AR cube. And what is the B is equal to AR. C is equal to AR square. And D is equal to AR cube. So T1 is equal to, what is the first terms we denoted by A. So T1 is equal to A. B is equal to second terms. So T2 is equal to AR. And C is equal to third terms. So T3 is equal to AR cube. And what is the T4? D is equal to T4. So it is the AR cube. So here it is in the series AR square and AR cube. Therefore, the T1, T2, T3 and T4 are GP, hence A, B, C, D are in the GP. Now, all examples are very easily you can solve. Illustrate examples number 12. Which terms of the GP 0.008, 0.016, 0.032 so on is 4.096. Now, illustrate examples number 11. થઈ જશે ને એક examples. Now GP here it is given 0.008, 0.016, 0.032 and so on is 4.096. Which terms? We want to find out the n. We want to find out the n. Now, first term here it is given 0.008. Which is the first term here? It is A is equal to 0.008. R is equal to second term divided by first term, या third terms divided by first term. तो 0.016 divided by 0.008. Now here 3 decimal point and here it is the 3 decimal point. तो cancel 016, 008. 3 decimal point is the cancel out. So 16 upon 8. So it is the 2. We want to find out the n. So Tn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1. Tn values given. What is the Tn values here? It is given. Last terms here it is given 4.096. So 4.096. A is equal to, it is given 0.008 multiplied by, what is the R is equal to 2. And n we want to find. Again I repeat, first terms given, ratio here it is given, and there is the Tn values given, and we want to find out the n. Apply the formulas. Tn is equal to AR raised to n minus 1. Tn values, A values, R, and we want to find out the n. Now multiply, takes another side. 4.096 divided by 0.008 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Cancel out 3 decimal point, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So 4096 you learn from the smaller classes upon 008 means the 8 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. 8 5 za 40, 8 1 za 8 and 8 2 za 16 is equal to 2 raised to n minus 1. Now there is the 516, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and 512. You have to remember the two table, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256 and 512. So raised to 9. So therefore it is the, we can write 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to n minus 1. Now base equals, so we can compare the index power. Therefore 9 is equal to n minus 1 9 plus 1 is equal to n, therefore n is equal to 10. So easily we can find out the n. Now remaining illustrate I discuss on next periods. Thank you so much.